A daring challenge at China's famous Tianmen Mountain took a dramatic turn when a brand new Chery SUV slid down the iconic heavenly ladder. The vehicle, a Fulwin X3L, was attempting to climb the nearly 1,000 steep, wet steps when it lost traction, slid backwards, and crashed into a safety railing. Videos of the incident quickly went viral, showing the car stuck on the staircase. This sparked a huge debate online about the safety of using a public scenic spot for such a risky stunt. The heavenly ladder is no joke, with an average gradient of 45 degrees. It's a challenge few vehicles would even dare to attempt. Chery has since apologized, blaming the accident on a detached safety shackle that tangled with the wheel. They admitted they underestimated the risks and promised to cover all repair costs for the damaged site. Thankfully, no one was hurt. What do you think? Was this a PR stunt gone wrong? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more updates.